Hi guys, my name is Carlos Cucalon, and I just want to welcome you to the Building a Basic Website from Scratch series. This is going to be a series hosted in YouTube in which I'm going to show you how to build your own website from scratch. We're going to start with the folder structure, some HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This course requires zero knowledge on your part in order to actually build your website. So we're going to walk from start, so from zero knowledge all the way until building a website, maybe a 4 to 5 page website. In this course, we will be using two IDEs. IDEs stand for Integrated Development Environments, which is kind of like an very much progressive text editor. This text editor will help you, give you syntax highlighting, so knowing what code you're typing, maybe give you some information, completion as well of the syntax. So if you need to close that code, maybe it does it for you. It would also show you kind of the number of lines and what line you're in. This will become very, very important as you're developing JavaScript, so that you can see if there's any errors on your code, as well as maybe rendering and any other information that maybe you can provide about the code that you're writing. Now, this code will start from very much zero, or the basics folder structure, all the way until some intermediate, maybe some advanced information as far as CSS and HTML. We'll try to keep the JavaScript very much basic and goes over some information there. However, if you do have comments, or if you would like to maybe for us to expand a little bit more on a specific topic, let us know. Leave it in the comments below. We can go ahead and create that video for you, and so that you can expand your knowledge. Now, you may be asking yourself, why are we doing this when there's already maybe other libraries that you could use that have already been built so that you can start developing? This is more for those who are interested in knowing and learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so that they can understand what those libraries are doing. We're going to mimic a specific library, which is called Bootstrap, where some of the techniques and things that we're going to use come from that library that's already been built for you. But again, it's just so that we can have a better understanding. You don't need to know everything about HTML, everything about CSS or JavaScript, so that you can start developing. But it's a good idea to have a good foundation before you do, so that you know why things work in a specific way, and better yet, why things don't work when you do something with those specific libraries. So again, I'm really excited to get started. So let's go to the next video.